Boris Johnson warned the British public the pandemic was rearing its head once again, and that only by collective action could it be kept in check.
There have been too many breaches, too many opportunities for our invisible enemy to slip through undetected. The virus has started to spread again in an exponential way. Infections are up, hospital admissions are climbing. We can see what's happening in France and Spain.
This was a heartfelt appeal to the British people that preventing another destructive wave was everyone's responsibility. Earlier in the House of Commons, he had laid out new restrictions to stop the spread. Pubs and restaurants will close an hour early at 10 p.m. People will be encouraged to work from home again, and the use of face masks will be widened. The police and councils will be given new powers to impose fines and shut places down, and the army may help.
And to those who say we don't need this stuff and we should leave people to take their own risks, I say these risks are not our own. The tragic reality of having COVID is that your mild cough can be someone else's death knell.
This is not a return to full lockdown yet. Schools, universities, shops and construction are unaffected. The Prime Minister said it was a balance between protecting people and sheltering the economy. Earlier from the opposition Labour Party, there was support for the new measures, but also a warning.
There should be nothing inevitable about a second lockdown. It would be a sign of government failure, not an act of God. It would take an immense toll on people's physical and mental health and on the economy.
The Prime Minister is telling the British public there is no room for complacency. Cases will continue to rise and hospitalisations and deaths will follow, as they did in March. He made a direct appeal to the British public, saying it's in their power to make sure that doesn't happen all over again. In March, the British public responded. If he doesn't get the same response this time, tighter restrictions will follow. Simon McGregor Wood, TRT World in Westminster.